The other one we're going to talk about is, it's interesting. Sherry, you know, say I usually that day I interview me, because I hear this. This is about you. Sherry. Sherry, wanna know Sherry, right? Eh? Yeah, man, I think she live on Soundchat Radio. But me I go call the name Sherry because it's a Sherry thing that one here, right? Look how it's ironic, right? Not telling about that lady the Sherry. Most I want to know her, right?
Man, but, I know about my cousin.
Here's about Sherry, right? You have a thing named Karaoke. You wanna know karaoke start? Trust me. Wanna know karaoke start? Sherry, the Sherry on Soundchat Radio where me a shout out a hungry man for him cousin, just I say it on the hearing, right? That's good to know. But me not say nothing derogatory because me don't know. And not even about her, but me I show you irony, right? So she, your cousin Sherry, right? She was the queen of karaoke in New York, in Queens, on the reggae circuit, the reggae genre. She used to do karaoke in the club there at Elmont, and then she go to Enrique, and she was a karaoke queen. And she went to a lot of these clubs and start karaoke. Because I remember in our coming, we never really know about karaoke and things. Look, no, karaoke a big thing in Jamaica, in the dancehall space. That's why I give her a crown. Sweet Queen Sherry. But when I go say it's not about Queen Sherry, but it's ironic. Alright, so now karaoke come about. Watch this. So about 85 or so, I man go to Florida upon a trip, right? And me and my brethren will go to inspect some community, because I used to do some work in a real estate with a company named General Development. All the people might know and hear about them. Now General Development used to have residential communities that they build all over Florida, and through I used to do marketing of land, plots, you buy a plot and then you build your house on it. It still continued with other companies, but they went belly up. But before that, people used to ask, if, do you have land for yourself? Have you ever seen the community? Things like that. Like someone I say, yeah, sell Benz, do you drive a Benz? So why would you be selling Benz and drive a Toyota? You're not going to make a sale if people know that. So they were always asking I that question, so I decided and I set a trip to go and see all of the community them that the General Development of I market them land, plot to our people up here. So I planned a trip. So the trip was good for I to travel, and travel in I automobile and go Florida. So I would have the automobile to go around all the different communities and all of the different what they call it, counties. So that was it. I brethren would jump on the road and get down there. So we decided say it might be more cost effective if we rent a house, like 2 room and them thing they rent a house. So instead of the hotel, so every time we get the house, we go back to that central location. It might be more cost effective. So that's what we do. We're looking at the paper and find a house. And we do the rental. So we go there and we do what we do. So the lady that own the house that rent us, right? My virgin, I try to check her all them things because I'm a Casanova and them things there. But anyway, I'm gonna tell her say I MC shows too, right? Because before all she knows say I do real estate, because I had to give her how we are going to pay and what me do. And she was enamored by the fact that we're so young and I do real estate, because mostly our old people, them know, seniors do real estate in Florida. So, when I'm going to tell her that, she jump up and say, she's a cabaret singer, she's in entertainment, she's a cabaret singer, right? And this was in, Lauder Lakes she lived. So we get the house for rent in Lauder Lakes, yeah. So she say, this weekend, which is the Saturday, I have a show in Lake Okeechobee. You have to come MC my show, you have to come call me on stage. I want to see you perform. I said, no man, I real estate, man, I don't know whether I do that. But she keep insisting, and my brethren keep pushing me. She said, do it, man. I say, you see where you go, do, brethren? You have to tell the woman that a real estate we don't know what you tell the woman. And she never stop and she insists. So the day come now and we'll go to Lake Okeechobee, that's a town, right? Because there's a lake named Lake Okeechobee, so they have a town named, I think, Okeechobee, right? So we go there, and we're going on the club, and it's a club named the Fishnet, right? Because when you go in at the ceiling, them have fishnet all over with things, tackles and things hanging from it. I guess it's a fishing town or a fishing village. Since I was there till them go on with them go and play music. And I remember only one black waitress I see. Everybody else was, in the midtown, they were what we, for conversational purpose, white. So I say, oh, I go MC before them people. Look feasible. So I try to get out of it and she insists. And she go up there and drag me on when it was her time. So I never do nothing long or anything. When I go up and make an initial joke, I not even remember what the initial joke was, and I get the people and some, like, what would I call redneck? Well, it was really redneck. We see the man, them start clapping. I don't remember, it probably was an appropriate joke for that audience. Until me get into introduce her and I say, you see, you all know her, she perform here every day. It's your hometown girl, so I don't know what to call. Oh, let's reverse a little. Yeah. She told us that her name is Sherry. Right? That's what the irony. She tell us her name was Sherry. However, her stage name, right, her fans call her Carrie. Carrie. Even though her name is Sherry, her stage name, what her fans call her is Carrie. So she go by Carrie. So that's how me fi introduce her. Her stage name is Carrie. So I say, okay, right there. So I have to kind of make a little joke out of it to introduce her. So when I introduce her now, I say, give it up. A nice round of applause. Give it up for your own town girl. I don't know what to call her, but she told me that her name is Carrie. But tonight, because I'm the MC, I am gonna call her Carrie Okeechobee. Give it up for Carrie Okeechobee, your hometown girl. And she go on and she mash up the place. Wicked cabaret singer. Saying, and I think she might be the mother of Alicia Keys. I don't know. But she's a wicked cabaret singer and she mash up the place with her fans and thing. Till a couple of years later, we start hearing about karaoke and them Chobe. So I don't know if it's true, but that was the irony, right, Sherry? And that you come be the queen of karaoke and you never know it come off of your name. Sherry calling herself Carrie. And then Zippygan giving her the attachment like a PhD, but this is her title, Karaoke. So I claim karaoke, because them short need and try teeth it. But when I say a Zippygan and Sherry special, here, karaoke. So what if a karaoke are going in our community now, the dancehall space and thing. Remember I say we own that and we are claim it. It sounds like a joke, I will see me a laugh, but we have to take serious thing, make laugh, because I tell you, it couldn't happen like that. Karaoke Chobe. Karaoke and them drop it. So listen, the Fishnet pub. Zippygan claim it, because it must come out of this. So Karaoke Chobe. That club that was in Lake Okeechobee. Zippygan and Sherry. Karaoke. Yeah, man, we own it. Sherry, the people that miss your karaoke, man. You have to come clean up the karaoke thing again. Not talk about Sherry. in the sound chat space. That, right? What else we are gonna deal with today? No. I think we could level off this.